Hello, FM 330 Textile for the second episode of Chapter 4. Today we are going to talk about bast fiber. When we talk about bast fiber, I would like you to remember Mummy, Egypt. We use a lot of bast fiber. What type of bast fiber that we use? Linen. That's from flax. Okay, let's roll. The process of obtaining fiber from the stem of the plant. So basically from the stem, this is what we do. At first when we have it, we make it dry. We basically make it rotten because it has to the dew of the moisture, and it's rotten, it's very good. And then later on, we break them. We break them apart. We're crushing them. And then after that, we basically comb them. So basically you can remove it. After that, this is what you get. Very fine and long fiber. Okay, flax is basically the first one we're going to talk about stem fiber. You'll see how long the flax is. That's the stem that we're using. So the property is similar to cotton because it's all cellulosic fiber. However, it's more brittle. It's stronger than cotton. Because it has greater orientation and crystalline. Swatch number 1 and number 2, if you look over it, that's what flax feel like. Let's talk about properties of physical properties of flax. Okay, it has bamboo pole shape. That what longitudinal look like, and this is the bamboo pole shape. Okay, the terminology that we call this ring around here is called knots or joints. Okay, flax has a light cream and dark color tan. And this is long. This is a cross section that when you see it like ring here and then have a little tiny hole in here. So because of this, in the knots thing that have slightly swollen and resemble the joints of the stalk of the bamboo. That's why we call bamboo poles and shape too. Okay, next one is bremis. Bremis is also similar to flax in properties. Okay, however, it's white, it's long fiber and silk-like. Luster, and it stiff and brittle a little bit. Remi, grow very fast. You can cultivate every 60 days. That's how it's very good about it. For the end use, we use the Remis for apparel, an item. You can make jacket, you can make clothing with it. We use it for window treatment, and you can see swatch number 3. And also, we use it for pillows, on table lining. You can see that item. That's the end use of Remis. Jute is the next one. Jute basically produced a lot in Asia. Okay, it's very cheap. It's the cheapest fiber you can find. And they have a color is a creamy white, brown color. So you can see jute is basically used because it's cheap. And it's rough, so basically we use it with twine, we use it with the interior design, making rug and all the thing. Next one is kinab. Kinab is basically, this is what we use kinab for. Okay, we use kinab for heat conductivity, bioplastic. We also use kinab for substitute of the replacement of synthetic inside the interior design inside the car. You can see we use it deck roofing. So kinab and we use it absorbance of many type of chemical for soils, water. So kinab have been using with more than anything not related to apparels at all, but it's also considered textile. Hemp, okay, this is hemp is similar to flax. Okay, however, the production you can see this. It's the same look. It look like flax, isn't it? Remember the flax pictures? The production has been banned in U.S. The reason is because it's in the same type of marijuana. So, and you can see there's a product that made from him. You can make organizer, hat, wallet, and swatch number 42 and 104. And beside that, him has been using for all kind of like shampoo and this and then that more than a product of textiles. Hibiscus is another stem fiber that we use. Look at flower. You can really remember like Hawaiian. So it's stronger than jute, used for bags, for rocks, and sometimes for apparel item when we blend it with the other fibers. You can see this is what we use for the stem hibiscus. Okay, let's talk about concept question. The process of removing bast fiber from the stem is called what? I didn't talk in detail of terminology, so maybe you should look in your book. It is called degumming, rotting, spinning, scrunching, or moisturizing. However, if you cannot find information, you can email me. Okay, I have a little more for the last type of cellulosic fiber. It's leaf fibers. When you remember leaf fiber, think about banana, big leaf, and then we do use banana. We call abaca, we call yucca, we call banana. Okay, it's cross and it's very long fiber. In Thailand, we use banana a lot. We use the leaf banana with, for the food. We make it the rope so we can tie them. We eat a part of a fruit and this part of the heart of them. It offers white to brown color. And we also use banana for clothing too. Let's talk about what we use abaca banana for. For interior design. So basically we use it for covering. We use for accessory. We use it for, all kind of furniture. We use it for rope, twine. We use it for apparel. Okay. Next one is sisal. Sisal is very stiff. And we use this leaf sisal. This is the method that we do it. So we have to clean and make sure and all kind of thing and degrade it so we can take the fiber out of the leaves. It's very, very smooth. It's strength and yellow fiber, but it's very rough. For sisal is the one kind of product for interior design. We use sisal for carpet. We use sisal for floor or covering. So we use sisal for rocks. Okay. Next is Chenille. Chenille is basically a cactus family. So you can see it looks like the cactus here. We can use it better grade for rope and twine, for brush. In Bristol, we also use it for like handbag and accessory too. The last one for leaf family is pinna. Pinna is from pineapple. We call pinna. We use this part of it. Besides the food that we eat, we use this. It offers soft, very luster, and very white ivory fiber. It's lightweight, sheer, but it's stiff fiber. It's highly susceptible to acid enzymes, means it can be tolerated by when you encounter with enzyme or acids. Okay, so that's all for the leaf fiber. This is a concept question. Which of the fiber below is the leaf fiber? You have cotton, pinna, rami, corn, and couple. Okay, and another concept question is cotton and flax are available in both stable and filament form. I misspelled, sorry. So is it true or false? And then this is another concept questions. Quality of cotton fiber is related to what? The length of the fiber, number of convolution per inch, the brightness of the fiber, of the above, or A and B. Okay? Do you understand the subject covered in class today in these chapters? Okay? If you do not understand or you have some questions, email me at my email address and then I will quickly try to reply your mail. Alright, see you in chapter 5. I'll talk to you later. Email me if you have any questions. Thanks, bye-bye.